To restore Azure SQL performance tuning, follow these steps. First, identify the performance issue by monitoring the database using Azure Monitor and SQL Server. Management Studio. Look for metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk space to determine the root cause of the problem. Next, optimize database queries by analyzing the query store and identifying long-running queries. Use the Query Performance Insight tool to get recommendations for improving query performance. Consider rewriting queries to use more efficient algorithms or indexing strategies. Then, adjust database configuration settings to optimize performance. This includes adjusting the service tier, vCores, and storage size to meet the needs of your workload. Use the Database Transaction Unit (DTU) calculator to determine the optimal service tier for your database. Additionally, maintain database indexes to ensure they are up-to-date and relevant. Use the Index Advisor tool to identify missing indexes and create new ones as needed. Regularly rebuild and reorganize indexes to maintain optimal performance. It is also essential to update statistics to ensure the query optimizer has accurate information. Use the SP_update stats stored procedure to update statistics manually or configure automatic statistics updates. Finally, implement a maintenance schedule to regularly monitor and optimize database performance. This includes scheduling regular backups, updates, and performance checks to ensure the database remains optimized over time. By following these steps and best practices, you can restore Azure SQL performance tuning and ensure your database runs efficiently and effectively. Remember to regularly monitor and adjust your database configuration to meet changing workload demands and optimize performance.